I want to show you how to do one-way ANOVA. If you do not have the data analysis button in Excel, when you click on the data tab, so I've opened my data and I'm going up to the top here, click on data. Far right, I see the data analysis button. You'll need to look at the second video in Project 5 where I show you how to add that. It's just something you have to turn on in Excel. You can either Google it or watch the video that I made. Okay, once I've got that, I'm just going to click in a cell here somewhere. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to click data analysis. I want ANOVA single factor. So I'm going to click OK. And you have to decide, are you going to select all your data with the header or not? If you do select the data with your header, then you need to click on labels in the first row. So as I've selected it, I would click on that. Or you can just click on the data values. Whoops, let's go back here. You can just click on the data values themselves and not select the header. It's up to you. Either one is fine. It's the same. You just have to not toggle it if you haven't selected the header, and do toggle it if you do. There's a built-in alpha there. That's our significance level. 0.05 is fine. It's going to create a new worksheet for you, a new page in your notebook. And so I'm just going to click OK. And it takes me over there. The rows are kind of narrow, so I can click on those rows to expand things. And I just want to highlight for you the key information here, what we're looking for. This is the p-value. So if you get nothing else, there's your p-value. That's really all that you need. The rest of this is more detail than we're going to get into this semester. It may be useful in some of your other classes, but just two other things. Here's the test statistic. This is the F statistic that's computed for you. This is the critical value, meaning anything that is past this critical value is going to give you a small area less than 0.05. And so those three things are things that ought to be able to make sense to you. There are degrees of freedom involved. We're not trying to get into understanding all of that. For us, the big takeaway is the p-value. It's small.